Oh, Ethan, can you turn off the alarm?
I thought you said it.
Yeah, and I regret it now.
5 more minutes.
Okay, but 5 minutes means five, not 50. Morning!
Don't talk to me until I've had my coffee.
That bad, huh?
Mm. Now I can say good morning.
Finally, welcome back to life.
Lily, did this shrink?
No, you just grew.
Uh, That's not funny.
You said you wanted to get in shape?
Yeah, but not this shape.
Oh no, I forgot the list at home.
Don't worry, my memory's amazing.
Really? What do we need?
Um, Milk? Bread?
And?
Uh, maybe chocolate?
Of course you'd remember that. I just washed the clothes, and now it rains.
The weather heard you brag about finishing early.
Typical.
Let's make some tea. Rain sounds better with tea.
And snacks. Don't forget snacks. Ethan, try this yoga pose.
I think I'm stuck.
It's called downward dog, not downward disaster.
I'll just meditate instead.
Fine. I'll stretch. You nap. What do you want to watch?
Something funny. No drama tonight.
Agreed. But nothing with explosions, please.
So, cartoons?
Perfect.
Wait, do I cut these onions or cry first?
Both happen together.
Ow. Why are onions emotional weapons?
Cooking builds character and tears. Today went by so fast.
Yeah, but it was a good day.
Even with the rain?
Especially with the rain. We stayed cozy.
I like cozy days with you. Oh, good night, Ethan.
Night, Lily. Sweet dreams.
You too. Don't snore tonight.
No promises.